Welcome students once again in your English class. Today we are going to learn about the phrasal verbs. So at first we shall learn the meaning of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or adverb. It means a verb which is added with a preposition or adverb which carries a meaning different from the original verb. असं एखादं वर्ब आहे की जो प्रिपोजिशन सोबत यूज केलेलं असतं किंवा ॲडवर्ब सोबत यूज केलेलं असतं. आणि प्रिपोजिशन सोबत किंवा ॲडवर्ब सोबत ज्यावेळेस आपण एखादा वर्ब यूज करतो त्यावेळेस काय होत असतं, विच कॅरीज अ मीनिंग डिफरंट फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल वर्ब. म्हणजे त्याचं ओरिजिनल त्या वर्बचं ओरिजिनल मीनिंग जे असतं त्यापेक्षा त्याचं काहीतरी वेगळंच मीनिंग असतं. इट मीन्स फ्रेझल वर्ब. Phrasal verbs are very important because they extremely common in English. And if you are familiar with some phrasal verbs and their meanings, so it will be helpful to you to understand the meaning of the sentence. So that is why today we are going to learn some examples of phrasal verbs. So today we shall see some phrasal verbs with the verb look with their meanings. Today's our first phrasal verb is look into. And look into means what? To investigate. चौकशी करणे, तपासणी करणे. It means to look into. If a person is looking into a problem or a situation, it means he is finding out about it. Otherwise, he is examining the fact relating to that situation or relating to that प्रॉब्लेम. एखादा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, समस्या असेल, काही डिफिकल्ट सिच्युएशन असेल तर त्या कंडिशनमध्ये ती सिच्युएशन का ऑकर झाली हे पाहण्यासाठी तपासणी करावी लागते, शोध लावावा लागतो, चौकशी करावी लागते. त्या पिरियडमध्ये किंवा त्या सिच्युएशनमध्ये वी कॅन यूज द फ्रेझल वर्ब लुक इन टू. Try to understand with the help of examples. See, our first example is the college principal promised to look into the matter. It means what? The college principal promised to investigate the matter, to examine the matter. Otherwise, what is the truth? The college principal promised to identify or promised to search. It means to investigate, to look into. The government set up a working party to look into the problem. Here is also the meaning of look into is investigate. To investigate what is the problem, to examine what is the problem, to search what is the problem. The government set up a working party. In that case, you can use the phrasal verb to look into. Our second phrasal verb is look down your nose on, otherwise at someone. It means feel superior to someone. Means what? To consider someone less intelligent than you other. समोरच्या व्यक्तीला आपल्यापेक्षा जास्त हुशार न समजणे किंवा मूर्ख समजणे, कनिष्ठ समजणे. इट मीन्स टू लुक डाऊन your nose at someone. If you say that someone looks down his or her nose at someone, means you mean that they believe that they are superior to that person or thing and treat them with disrespect. Treat someone or something without respect. To treat people inferior or low. It means to look down your nose at someone. स्वतःला इतरांपेक्षा खूप श्रेष्ठ समजणे. इट मीन्स फील सुपेरियर टू someone. To look down your nose at someone. Try to understand with the help of examples. Sonu looks down her nose at girls who do not speak English. It means Sonu feels superior herself. Why? Because other girls cannot speak English means to feel superior. Look down nose. Look down your nose. Second is they looked down their noses at anyone who couldn't win the match. Means they felt superior because they won match. Means look down your nose at someone. Our third phrasal verb is look up. Look up means search for information in a dictionary or on the computer or etc. If you want to try or if you want to find a particular information by looking in a book or on a list by using computer or dictionary, that time you can use this phrasal verb. When you are searching, you are finding the information by looking in a book or by using computer or dictionary. Try to understand with the examples. First example is look up the train timetable. It means to search the train timetable or search the information on the computer or on a list. Second word is he looked up the word. It means he searched the information about that word, meaning of that word in a dictionary or on the computer. कॉम्प्युटरवर किंवा डिक्शनरीमध्ये एखादी इन्फॉर्मेशन सर्च करणे. इट मीन्स टू look up. Fifth phrasal verb is look up to someone. We have learnt look up. Our fourth phrasal verb was look up, and here look up to someone. Look up to someone means respect or admire someone. We use this phrasal verb to admire and respect someone as a role model for others. For showing respect, we use this phrasal verb in the sentence. And if you admire someone, in that case also you can use this phrase. एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं कौतुक करायचे असेल, प्रशंसा करायची असेल किंवा एखाद्या व्यक्तीला सन्मान द्यायचा असेल, आदर द्यायचा असेल, in that case also we can use this phrasal verb in the sentence. Try to understand with the examples. Our first example is students always look up to their teachers as a role model or as an ideal person. Is it right? Students always give high respect to their teachers, and children should look up their parents. Children should give respect to their parents. In this case, we can use this phrasal verb in the sentence. If you want to give high respect to anyone and if you admire to someone, that time you can use this phrase in the sentence. Sixth phrasal verb is look the other way. It means what? To look away from something that you see. Not notice something on purpose. Deliberately, purposely ignore wrongdoing by others. To ignore something bad that is happening and not to try to stop it. Something is happening wrong and do not try to stop it also. एखादी वाईट गोष्ट तुमच्या समोर घडत आहे आणि पर्पजली मुद्दामहून त्या गोष्टीकडे इग्नोर करणे आणि त्या व्यक्तीला किंवा ती वाईट गोष्ट करण्यापासून थांबवण्यासाठी प्रयत्नही न करणे. In that case, you can use this phrasal verb in the sentence. For example, my friends looked the other way when I fell into the pond. How sad. My friends ignored purposely when I fell into the pond. मुद्दामहून माझ्या मित्रांनी माझ्याकडे लक्ष दिलं नाही. पाहूनही न पाहिल्यासारखं करणे. It means look the other way. The guards looked the other way as the man was attacked by a thief. It was the duty of the guard to protect the man, but he looked the other way, ignored. He looked purposely. He ignored when the man was attacked by a thief. चोराने एका व्यक्तीवर अटॅक केला. That time the guards ignored पर्पजली, मुद्दामहून, पाहूनही न पाहिल्यासारखं करून लक्ष दिलं नाही. In that case you can use this phrasal verb in the sentence.